Amanda. Welcome back to 5-Minute Cantonese. 大家好，我係 Amanda，歡迎收睇5分鐘廣東話。Today, let's learn something very practical. Let's learn something related to our work. 工作，工作。Let's get started. Again, work. 工作，工作. But this one is the official term. Normally, remember how to say it when you go to work. Right, the very local way. Go to work. 返工，返工. Or to do something. Right. 做嘢，做嘢. For example, you're working. In this case, you can say我 present continuous tense 返緊工 okay 緊 in the middle, alright 我返緊工 or yes 我做緊嘢我做緊嘢我返緊工 or 我做緊嘢Off work 放工放工 To look for a job 搵工搵工搵 means to look for or to search, okay? 搵工 So again, how to say he's looking for a job? Yes, 佢搵緊工 Okay, present continuous tense 佢搵緊工 How about this? Full-time, part-time, freelance. In Hong Kong, it's very common that people simply use this English term. For example, I work full-time. You can say我 work. Here, pay attention. You can either say 做 or 返 okay, without the word 工. So the noun here is full-time. Full-time, 我做 full-time. How about part-time? Yes, 我做 part-time or 我返 part-time. How about freelance? Okay, this one is a bit particular because for 返工 is more like a formal job. For freelancer, we'll use the word I do freelance instead of I work freelance. So in this case, we can only use this word 做. So 我做 freelance, 我做 freelance. Alright, how about the Cantonese term? Okay, for Cantonese term, full-time, 全職, 全職. Part-time, 兼職, 兼職. Freelance, free, 自由 work, 工作自由工作 So freelancer 自由工作者自由工作者 So if you want to use the Cantonese term for I work part-time, you can also say 我做兼職 or 我返兼職 Alright, let's say you're very hardworking. You have one full-time job and one part-time job. So in this case, your full-time job will become your main job. 正職, 正職. For example, his main job is teacher. His main job, here, pay attention. 佢嘅 Alright, here we'll use 嘅 main job. 正職 is teacher. 係老師佢嘅正職係老師 work overtime. Here in Cantonese, you can say 開 OT. 開 OT. OT stand for overtime is super common. Or you can also say 加班. 加班 is the official term. I would say 開 OT is way more common than 加班. Last but not least, apart from 返工做嘢, sometimes you might hear people say 打工. 打工 literally hit the job. Actually, 打工 also means to work. But here, it means you work as an employee. So if you're a freelancer or finder of a company, you are not 打工, okay? So for example, you work at a bank. So here, you can either say 佢 at the bank, 喺銀行. Okay, regularly, you can say 返工 or 做嘢. 佢喺銀行返工, 佢喺銀行做嘢. You can also say 佢喺銀行打工. 佢喺銀行打工. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. If you want to learn Cantonese with me, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more worksheets and supplementary or the exercise, please support my Patreon page. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見。